In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Stay until the end. First, make sure you're signed in to Google Maps, whether you're using a phone, mobile device, or something else. At the top right, check that you are indeed signed in. To access Google Maps, go to Maps, Google, come or search for Google Maps in your preferred browser. Once you've completed these steps, first make sure, as I mentioned, that you are properly signed in. In the search bar, click on the menu icon to expand the menu, as you can see here. From there, choose your address accessory, your address list and maps, and then click on Create a Map to edit your map. At the bottom right here, this will open a new window with a prompt where you can enter a map title, a description, and then click Save. For example, for Morocco, here, you can enter a title, Morocco. Even a description, click here, Morocco, a brief description, click Save, and you can then add layers. If you add locations manually, you can name the location and save it to add it to the map. If you perform a search or add specific locations, a green marker will appear on the map, and then you can click and add the location to the map as a link. For example, let's go here. Let's find a location with a green marker. Click on it, then on Add to Map, as you can see right here. Next, you can repeat these steps, the ones I just mentioned, and you'll be able to locate a few other places and add them to the map. You can even add Hiramra, a random location, I believe. Well, actually, that's not possible, but still. Add to Map, and there you go. That's basically everything. Thanks for watching, everyone. One thing to remember is to make sure you save once you're done. Then let's go to Google Maps. Go back to the visited maps again. Here's our map. Sorry, this is going to take a little moment. Open a new tab, and then you'll be able to see all the locations you've set. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching.